I like this one. RSI and MACD, pairing the two indicators together. When the RSI line crosses below 30 and MACD lines cross below 0, we buy. This is pre-market I'm looking at here. Perfect setup. RSI already below 30. Now we're just waiting for those MACD lines to cross. I buy out of the money options. They're cheaper, more potential profit because you could buy more contracts. This trade will be a couple minutes long, so you want that bid and ask price to be as tight as possible. Opening bell. Just waiting for that red line to lift up. If you have any questions, comment below. You want above average volume. You want that weight behind you. If it's below, the price just won't go anywhere. I like that 200-day SMA line on the graph. That's a natural resistance line. I'm working on a 100K challenge right now. $400 a day profit equals a 100K salary. You can replace your 100K salary if you're making $400 a day profit. But I like this RSI MACD combo so much. I want to get a quick example out there to you so you can start trying it out. Good volume. That red line starting to lift up. Try not to chase that big score. Your life isn't a movie. You want lots of little profits every day over a long period of time, no losses. And that's what scalping does. The more time you spend at a blackjack table, the higher the risk. We're jumping in and out. Got a little board, went over to Microsoft. Another good pre-market setup yesterday. All my day trading rules are on the About Me page, mr.inbetween. MACD bar is increasing. I'm going to buy in at 35 cents. Want to have everything triggered so that as soon as you see your signal, it's just one click. Some lead gen tips. Fidelity has scanners and filters where you can look up stocks that are crossing RSI. Search that way. I use dark pools. That's where the smart money makes trades. And hedge funds are right 99% of the time. That's impossible. It's insider trading. So when you see a $2 million buy on one specific option, you know something's going on. So that's a good way to filter out the noise. This will be a 20% profit, 10 to 20% is what you're looking for, but don't even think about profits when you're in the trade. Just focus on your signals. I'm going to sell at 42, eject. We sell when RSI crosses above 70, overbought, or MACD crosses above 0. Oh, look at that, right on the dot. Mr. In Between, go all.